welcome back to my channel. So I actually decided to switch it up. So I am not going to do Test It Tuesdays anymore. Instead, I'm just going to review products and not have it as a set date. I'm still going to upload on Tuesdays. Let me get that out. I'm still going to have my reviews on Tuesdays, but I also want to have reviews throughout the rest of the week, only because I do buy so many products that they literally sit on my desk for a week or more because I'm waiting to test them. I'm just gonna go ahead and start uploading reviews more often, so instead of limiting myself to only Tuesdays, they're gonna be more often. But I will for sure at least have a Tuesday video always for a review. Hope that makes sense. But anyways, so today we're gonna be testing it on the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation is what it's called. So if you wanna see how this product works, then just keep watching. So this is the foundation that came out just recently from Physicians Formula. It's called the Healthy Foundation. It's a brightening complex for all skin types. I just looked up online and I purchased this at, where did I get it? I purchased this at Walgreens. It did have a little thing up here for a coupon to get $3 off, I believe. So I did get $3 off of it, but it normally retails for $14.95. And it looks like they have about 15 shades. So I have the shade LN4, I think. I got this at Walgreens, but I think you can get it at Ulta and places that sell Physicians Formula. It does come with 1 fluid ounce. Ooh. So everything about the foundation just came off with the packaging. Like, it's on top. So once you take it off, it's no longer, there's nothing on it. I mean, I don't personally care, but if you're somebody that wants all the information all the time, you're gonna have to keep this. So I am going to put on my normal primer that I typically use so that I can see how this works. So I'm gonna use my Smashbox Primerizer. So now that I have my foundation or my primer on, let's go ahead and test this out. I'm gonna do this a couple of different ways. I'm going to test it out with a brush, and I'm gonna test it out with a sponge. Okay, so it looks like it's a twist. Oh, it's a doe foot. I for some reason thought it was a pump. Okay, well, I guess we'll just apply that. It's not gonna bug me too much. I can't describe the smell. It doesn't stink. It actually kind of smells good. Let's read the claims as I put this on. I'm going to use the brush for the side of the face, and I'm going to use just a blender brush, which is the Morphe M439, while I read the claims. So it's supposed to be a long-wearing, buildable, and breathable foundation that provides lightweight, medium to full coverage. How is that light? Oh, lightweight, but it's medium to full coverage with a healthy satin finish. I definitely can already see the satin finish. So it says it's supposed to be compatible with all skin types, featuring their exclusive brightening complexion and hyaluronic acid to hydrate, brighten, and improve appearance of skin tone. The added boost of vitamins A, C, and E provides a flawless, healthy coverage. Okay. So far, I do like the feel of it on my skin. So now we're going to use a sponge on this side. This is just my Morphe sponge. I'm going to zoom you in real quick so that you can see what this coverage did. So as you can see, this is what it did just with the application that I just put on that you saw. I would say that was a decent amount of application. I don't think I put too much on, but I don't think I put too little. It does have the satin finish. I can definitely still see my redness, so I would say this is in between medium and light. I'm going to add some more in my spots that have a bunch of redness and see if we can build it up without it looking cakey. I actually really enjoy doe foot applicators for foundation. I know some people don't. I like it because I just feel like it may not be sanitary, but I like it because I don't have to use a second brush, which normally I always use like a flat brush to put my foundation on because, and then you have to put it on the back of your hand or you have to put it on something. I forgot to tell you, I did notice that this side when I used the sponge had more coverage than the side with the brush, so that's why I'm using the sponges all over now. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty shocked that I actually really like this. I like the coverage. Like I said, it was medium to full. I would definitely say I believe that. I don't think it's full coverage because I can slightly see my redness. It does seem like it definitely is medium coverage, I would say for sure. So I'm going to go ahead and do my concealer and then I will be over it. Okay, so I went ahead and finished the rest of my face. So far, I really like this product. It definitely feels breathable. Let's go through the claims again actually real quick. It says long wearing. I don't know that. Obviously, I just put it on. I will put in the comments down below my thoughts, or not the comments. I'll put it in the description box down below what I thought after wearing this the whole day. If it did hold up, if it didn't, how it felt at the end of the day and all that stuff, because I do work an 8-hour day, but because of the time I put my makeup on to the time that I get home, it ends up being almost, I'd say 11 hours. So at the end of that, I will tell you how it held up in the description box down below. It says it's supposed to be buildable. I would definitely say it's buildable because you saw when I first put it on, it was pretty light to semi-medium coverage, and then when I put more on, it was obviously almost full coverage. Not full coverage though, almost. I do think it's getting slightly darker as it goes on. So it might be oxidizing a little bit, but I don't see it too much, which is really nice. So I definitely think it is buildable. We'll check on the long wearing. I do think it's breathable. It does feel really nice on my skin. Only thing that's bugging me right now is my liquid lipstick. And then it says the medium to full coverage. I do think you can build it up to that. And then satin finish is the other claim. Yeah, I can see satin finish, but it's satin but slightly more matte than satin. I think this is a really great product. I think it's definitely worth the $14. I like the doe foot applicator. That's just my personal preference. And I think the shade selection is okay. I think they have a decent amount. Obviously, if you were extremely light, I don't think they really have a shade for you. If you're extremely dark, I don't think they have a shade for you. But I do notice that they have a good mixture of shades. So like they have like 2 or 3 of light, 2 or 3 of medium, and 2 or 3 of tan of the amount they have. Or I mean dark. Light, dark, light, medium, tan. Light, tan, dark. Jeez, why couldn't I get that out? So I don't think this has very many. Like I said, it only has I think 15 shades, but it does have a decent amount of each shade range. So that's all I have for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one.